The first and most popular thing people do with a car is induction kits. So what we've got here today is a RAMair intake. We're going to ram some air into our little Mini here and get it sounding fierce and ferocious.
So a quick rundown of the kit for our JCW Mini. Not a lot to it, to be fair, and they do give us some really comprehensive fitting instructions. So this will be a bit of a walkthrough rather than step by step. But it's essentially laid out in order from the hard pipe MAF sensor adapter there, which will be the first connector to the intake pipe on the car, silicon coupler to the velocity stack, which then in itself takes on this nice big pleated ProRam filter, which is what this kit's all about. Housed all within this nicely powder coated heat shield airbox there, and that's your lot. There's a small box of fittings, or small bag of fittings should I say, some Jubilee clips and some adapters to get this to fit into the original factory grommets in there, and some nice finishing rubber trim which I will cut to around the outside of the airbox there. So yeah, short sharp one this one, shouldn't take me too long to get it on the car. See you over there. So you join me at the Mini with my mechanical productivity hat on. Got the ProRam kit ready to go on. Essentially we're going to lose all of this black plastic fantastic original kit here, so the cold air intake I think is optional with this. And then the standard air filter and box there. That's all going to go. This lot's going to go in, nice and straightforward. Have got the instructions should I need them. Stay tuned, watch me get this done, and we'll see what it sounds like after. So just before we wrap up on this, I thought I'd show you it in its fully installed state. As you can see, once again, RAMair have knocked it out of the park. Fits well, looks good, sounds great. We're gonna chuck a mic in there and go up the road so that you guys can hear just how good it sounds. But just before we do that, big thanks for watching, staying tuned right through to the end. Any queries, questions or inquiries regarding RAMair, check out our website. There's a page just for RAMair there, so any queries regarding specific applications to your car, send us a message and we can let you know what's available. Otherwise, stay tuned for the next segment on the Mini. There's plenty more to come. Like, share, subscribe as always would be greatly appreciated, and stay tuned to listen to this thing out on the road to close. Thanks very much.